In this video, we are going to discuss about computer basics. Today, computers are all around us, from the desktop computers to smartphones. But have you ever asked yourself what exactly is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. The computer sees data as ones and zeros, but it knows how to combine them into more complex things such as photographs, movie, websites, game, and much more. Computers use a combination of hardware and software. Hardware is any physical part of the computer which includes all of the internal components and all the external parts like the monitor and keyboard. Software is any set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do, such as web browsers, media player, or word processor. When most people say computer, they are talking about a personal computer. This can be a desktop computer or a laptop computer, which has basically the same capabilities, but in a more portable package. Personal computers come in two main styles, PC and Mac. PCs are the most common type. There are many different companies that make them, and they usually come with the Microsoft Windows operating system. Mac or Macintosh computers are all made of one company, Apple, and they come with the Mac OS 10 operating system. Computers come in many other shapes and sizes. Mobile phones, tablets, game consoles, and even TVs have built-in computers, although they may not do everything a desktop or a laptop can. There's another type of computer that plays an important role in our lives, servers. A server serves information to other computers. On a network, in fact, every time you use the internet, web servers delivers the web pages that you want to see to your computer. Servers are also used in many offices to store and share files.